Now we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 6. Let me show you the recovery function. There's one more important feature that we have to check before we can actually start creating something using Affinity. Just go to Edit, Settings, and here you want to go to Performance. There you'll find what's called a file recovery interval. You can set that in seconds, 2700 currently the maximum, 30 the lowest. My advice would be to keep it to 300 or a little bit lower. Something around 150 to 300 should be fine for most projects. And this is actually kind of like the autosave function because Affinity creates snapshots in these intervals. So if you create a project, say here a simple drawing, and then over time it gets complex with 300 seconds, every 5 minutes there will be taken a snapshot. And if Affinity crashes at some point, you can be sure that you can recover at least a little bit of your work. Obviously, if you make the recovery interval bigger, there will be less snapshots. And if you make it smaller, there will be more. There are two ways to recover it. Number one is if it crashes, then Affinity should normally know that when you restart it. So there should be a window where it offers you the snapshots, the recovery files to open. But if you can't see them after crash, just go to File and then open Recent. And here you should see recovery snapshot as well. So very important feature. Once again, Edit, Settings, and then Performance. Set your interval here around 150 to 300 should be fine, at least for most projects. And then we're ready to go for the next tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.